Big companies have small moves, small companies have big moves. When you sell in desperation, you always sell cheap. Know what you own, and know why you own it. Primes are the atoms of the number system, every whole number is a product of primes. This is one of the keys to successful investing. Focus on the companies, not on the stocks. Invest in what you know. Know what you own, and know why you own it. Understand the nature of the companies you own and the specific reasons for holding the stock. My advice for the next decade: keep on the lookout for tomorrow's big baggers. You're likely to find one. Share of stock is not a lottery ticket. It's part ownership of a business. Remember, things are never clear until it's too. Only invest what you could afford to lose without that loss having any effect on your daily life in future. Stick with a steady and consistent performer.